Hi guys, we are going to preview the India South Africa series, and I have with me my cricket caviar fellow analyst slash opinionated person Pratik Gautam. So Pratik, excited for the test match? Two test matches starting tomorrow. So are you excited?
Yeah, man. Finally, overseas test series जब भी इंडिया की होती है तो it's very exciting and man, South Africa में we have never won, so that adds another element of excitement to this series. Uh, yeah,
Yeah.
but it's a three-match series though, right? Three match.
Yeah, three matches series, and I just want to talk about some of the history of India South Africa series. Like India has never won a series in South Africa, which is quite surprising. Like Australia में जीत चुके हैं, England में जीत चुके हैं.
Yeah.
One so South Africa started playing cricket in 1992, and we have toured five times or six times maybe, and
Hmm.
we are yet to win a test match. टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट मैच ही 2006 में पहली बार जीते थे एंड अभी तक हम लोग ने तीन टेस्ट मैचेस ही जीते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका
Yeah.
में तो
Very poor record, man. And I think it was mostly because of our batting failures, I would say.
हाँ एंड साउथ अफ्रीका हैड अ रियली गुड टीम लाइक कैलिस था एक टाइम पे फिर उसके बाद आमला एंड एबीडी आ गए थे एंड बॉलिंग में भी डेल स्टेन था उसके पहले एलन डोनाल्ड था फिर डेल स्टेन आया फिर वर्नॉन
Hmm.
फिलेंडर था लास्ट ओवर में भी मॉर्ने मॉर्किल थे so all of these guys have retired no this is everyone is saying this is India's best chance because ABD
Yeah.
Amla Philander Morkel is retired and what more do you need like abhi to Henrik Nortje is also out of the series so this has tilted everything towards India, and we are all having big expectations.
Yeah, I
And
think there's a huge difference in the terms of quality of South African squad from last time to this time. Last time their pace battery was perfect. They had the four. Even I remember they had like those four best fast bowlers: Rabada,
yeah,
Philander, Steyn, and Morkel. Morkel also there?
Morkel was also there, and Norkia was also there. I think that time,
Yeah.
yeah, or he had just
Nokia, I
come. I
don't think
think.
he played. Yeah, he was in the squad. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then they had both Faf and ABD. So yeah, that team was very strong.
Faf, ABD,
We
and
were
Amla
hoping,
was also there. Amla was
yeah,
also there.
and we were hoping to win against that team also, but there were selection blunders, and then
No,
our batting was obviously not up to the mark.
no, exactly. I mean, I think उसके पहले ही हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हरा के आए थे उस साल ही तो सबको लग रहा था कि साउथ अफ्रीका को तो हरा ही देंगे बट या
And I
मैन
remember
एबीडी
Lalit Shastri had said big things before the beginning of the series as well.
या एंड एक जो सिमिलर स्टोरी है वो ये था कि उस टाइम भी रहाणे का बहुत पुअर होम रिकॉर्ड था एंड ही वाज ड्रॉप्ड फॉर द फर्स्ट टू टेस्ट मैचेस एंड
Yeah, that time
हार्दिक
we were
पांड्या
actually
वाज
upset because he was getting punished for his bad home series performance. Like we were like Rahanika because he made 100 in the 2015 tour, I think, or whenever that happened, 2014.
yeah yes
So we
yes
were like, he's the favorite to start in the first test. And then we were so upset that Kohli didn't play him for the first two tests. Series was already lost. And
हम्म,
then,
हाँ वो बहुत
then I'm
वियर्ड
confused now. I'm not sure whether we should stick with Rane. I mean, the logic still says that he's a good overseas player. So he should be in the 11. But yeah, it will be interesting. Only, has any team announced their 11 yet? South Africa or India?
No, 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 no. Actually, we still don't know what is going to be 11, especially South Africa का तो पूरा ही नया टीम है पता नहीं मतलब कौन है
Yeah.
11 में एंड मैं एक चीज वही देख रहा था कि ड्वेन प्रिटोरियस हु प्लेड द फुल सीरीज अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड वो भी स्क्वाड में नहीं है तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर बॉलिंग लाइनअप आल्सो like they are going to pick lot of upcoming players but I'm not
Yeah.
sure who will be the
Yeah, and it's really interesting to see like what kind of role will Rabada play. I mean, obviously they're expecting him to lead from the front, but we have seen sometimes Rabada is extra motivated, like he was in the Australia tour, and sometimes Rabada is just. I feel like he's just going through the motions. So it will be interesting to see
Hmm.
what kind of Rabada turns up to the field. Is it a pumped up Rabada who is aggressive, not worried about
Hmm.
taking some points
Hmm.
like the.
Yeah. Also, Lungi Ngidi made his debut in the last tour. against India,
He was
and
very impressive actually. Yeah, he was impressive.
he won. He was the man of the match, I think, in his first or second test match, and he got Kohli out two or three times. And let us see if he will make an impact this time, or is it going to be Vian Mulder, the all-rounder, or
Impressive
uh,
player.
yeah, we'll have to see that.
Yeah.
So yeah, Pratik, so I've made a PPT. I'll try to share that. If yeah,
Oh,
so
fantastic.
yeah, so this is like India tour of South Africa. So we have 3 test matches. The first one is in Centurion. So Centurion is actually South Africa's fortress. तो
Oh,
उसमें South Africa has won 21 out of 26 matches in and only lost 2 matches. And out of that, 2 also, one was was match fixed match था जिसमें Hansi Cronje was caught.
yeah.
So South Africa are unbeatable in Centurion, and obviously I have noted down that वहाँ पे off stump line बहुत अच्छा होता है. Last time Jimmy Anderson bowled really well, Rabada bowled really well. So I have seen the scorecards of South Africa England test matches. So South Africa won, even though they lost the series 3-1. It was here that they won the test match, and India को भी उन्होंने obviously हराया था यहाँ पे 2018 में, when Hardik Pandya was the only batsman who showed some fight. And
Yeah, man. I
so
think that's a very good approach that they are playing their first match there. It's like Brisbane for Australia, right? So yeah.
it's South Africa's Brisbane, and
This
second
is
test
great
is in
work, bro. Yeah. I love the
and
PPT.
second test is in Johannesburg, and so Johannesburg is actually one of the good venues for touring teams. Like यहाँ पे India have drawn their or won their last 5 matches. यहाँ पे
Oh,
वो वाला
wow.
मैच हुआ था, याद होगा, 438,
Yeah, yeah,
जिसमें
yeah.
इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट, पता नहीं, इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट ड्रू और साउथ अफ्रीका ऑलमोस्ट ड्रू, बिकॉज इट वाज अ
No,
ग्रेट
we were
मैच.
expecting India to win, but South Africa were playing. We could not get them all out, and Dale Steyn came really close in the end. Like, yeah, they needed like 12 of the last over or something.
Yeah, so that was another like great series and great match at Johannesburg. और लास्ट टाइम इंग्लैंड यहाँ पे जीता था, तो यहाँ पे मार्क वुड वाज द मैन ऑफ द मैच. सो he
Oh.
bowled lot of short pitch stuff. So maybe we need to play Shardul Thakur or someone here. Maybe an extra pacer may be needed in
Yeah.
Johannesburg compared to
We won. We
Centurion,
won
where
in
I
Johannesburg too, right? In the 2018 series. The last
yeah
match was in Johannesburg, I
we
think.
won there. We won there. Yeah, we won there. I think Bumrah bowled really well in that match. Bumrah and Shami both bowled well in that match. Yeah.
Yeah.
So last test match is at Cape Town, where Australia, South Africa have lost 7 out of 9 test matches, and it's normally a 5-day pitch where a lot of T20 style batting happens. Ben Stokes
Oh.
was the man of the match last time here, and मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है, लास्ट डे में मैच जा सकता है, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि सीरीज कैसा है लास्ट में, मतलब इज इट
Yeah.
यू नो. तो
Oh man, this is great insight. I thought, yeah, I did not knew that India ka pehla hi match will be the biggest test. So
yeah, the
that's
first
actually
match
great.
is going to be very crucial, very crucial
Yeah, very
match.
crucial. Because if South Africa, even with their inexperienced side, can pull that off, then it will be very difficult to bounce back 2-1. So India have to be very careful first match.
And this is one of the stats that was mentioned in ESPN Cricinfo. So I am just taking this from ESPN Cricinfo. It actually says that South Africa have a really poor home record. Like if you remember South Africa when they became #1 test team in 2010, उस time they were famous for their away record more than their.
Yeah, yeah.
They're actually quite poor at home. If you see compared to
Yeah, I
India,
was very
Pakistan.
surprised. At those times, Australia used to lose at home, and South Africa used to and they used to win in South Africa. I remember David Warner played some great innings those times. Yeah.
Mitchell Johnson bowled a brilliant,
Yeah.
2 test match
Yeah, it
spells
was
in
really
South
weird between
Africa.
Australia and South Africa. I remember that they were beating each other at home. So
And I think England has also won 2 or 3 times in South Africa. So, and Sri Lanka won a test match recently in 2017, I think. Sri Lanka
Sri
won
Lanka
a.
won 2-0. No, Sri Lanka won 2-0 actually. Both matches were very
Oh,
close. Yeah.
yeah.
And one was famous Pereira's 150 innings. Very, yeah.
Kusal Pereira, what an innings that was, man. What an innings. He chased down the total, I remember. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
brilliant.
Sri Lanka and West Indies are very surprising test teams, I would say.
But so South Africa's home record is like only better than Sri Lanka and West Indies. It's worse than India, Pakistan, Australia, New Zealand, and England. So this is one of the stats, and obviously I mentioned about Johannesburg, which is India's favorite away ground. So last 5 test matches, में 3 drawn and 2 won.
Mhm.
So these are the some of the other grounds which are away grounds where India has a good record: Auckland, Colombo, Port of Spain, and Nottingham. So
Wow.
let's hope. One more thing is the possible 11s. So so I have made a possible 11 for like both the teams. So India, I think, will be opening with KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. Do you
Yeah,
agree
that's
with
for
that?
sure. Yeah, I think that's
Hmm.
almost sure. Yeah, because Gill wasn't that impressive in the home series. So,
Hmm.
and I
Well,
also heard this.
Priyank Panchal is not experienced. I don't think
Yeah,
मतलब उसने India A में अच्छा खेला है, but I don't think he will get the chance ahead of Mayank Agarwal. So I think
yeah,
it's
I'm
going
sure
to be
the team management must have also discussed about India's record in centurion. So, yeah, they would have to go with the best team possible. They can't make a mistake like what England did. First test may dropped Anderson and Broad. So,
हाँ.
yeah.
And Mayank deserves a extended away test
Yeah.
run. मतलब कि उसको थोड़ा मिलना भी चाहिए. He has been a good performer
Yeah.
in the last World Test Championship. So let's hope he delivers in this against a weak South Africa bowling attack. And obviously,
Yeah.
number 3 will be Pujara, which I don't agree with, but Pujara has to be there. And Virat Kohli at number 4. Number 5 is still a doubt between Ajinkya and Shreyas. So Shreyas has proved that he's a very good number 5 batsman, but that was at home conditions. Whether team management will risk playing Shreyas Iyer so early in his test career in Centurion is still, a doubt. Is still a doubt.
Yeah, this will be tough. This will be a tough
And
call.
number 6 is also a very difficult call, like Hanuma Vihari and Shardul Thakur. So Shardul Thakur gives you a bowling advantage, and he has played some useful knocks in England and Australia. So Shardul, I wish Shardul plays actually all the test matches, but India can go for a conservative approach. Knowing Dravid may go, Dravid is not like Shastri. He may go for a conservative approach and play Hanuma Vihari at number 6 here. So that will be
Yeah.
on call.
But I'm worried, man. Even India, sometimes they lose wickets in clusters. So I would definitely like to see an extra all-rounder there. And I'm sure you also want to see Shardul Thakur playing. So
एक्स्ट्रा ऑलराउंडर और एक्स्ट्रा बैट्समैन क्या देखना
yeah.
चाहते हैं वो क्वेश्चन है मतलब यू वांट टू सी एन a Shardul Thakur who can bash 60 for 40 balls, or you want to see Hanuma Vihari who can draw a test match, which looks like we are losing to Hanuma Vihari and so that is the question. I want to put this question to you. Who would you like to see, Hanuma Vihari or Shardul Thakur at number 6? I mean, if Shardul is there, he will bat at number 7, not at 6. He will bat below Rishabh Pant.
Yeah, Rishabh Pant ke baad, yeah. No, man, I think if we will win by bowling them out. So I think we need an extra bowler and yeah, Shardul Thakur should play.
And obviously, Ravi Ashwin comes at number 8. He's the lone spinner because abhi to Jadeja injured hai. Jayant Yadav is the backup spinner, so I don't think Jayant Yadav is going to get any matches here. And
Yeah, in South Africa, I don't think they'll play more than one spinner. Yeah.
And obviously the Mohammad Shami, Jazz Bumrah, and Mohammad Siraj is going. Siraj has now, I think he has to replace Ishant Sharma. I think India should not make that mistake of playing Ishant Sharma again. So I hope
Yeah, I
Siraj
totally
gets.
agree with you. Yeah, Siraj should be playing the first test match here. Yeah, he deserves it. Yeah.
And if we see the South Africa side, Dean Elgar, he's their main linchpin, and Markram obviously. But Pratik, did
Kunal is not
Markram
here today
open the
to say a
batting?
few words about Elgar, his favorite player.
Yeah, man. He's been the rock of the South Africa batting. Even after all of these legends like Amla, ABD, Faf have retired, He's the rock, and he has proven himself in away and home conditions. And he's a very boring batsman. I agree. Like I literally get bored when he's batting. He takes lot of balls and he plays a lot of ugly shots, just like Graham Smith. But I love him. I love his grittiness and his fight to make those
Yeah.
runs. And he
Guys
often
like
makes
Elgar are
runs.
very crucial for a vulnerable batting side. Like just like how Karunaratne and Brathwaite are very important for Sri Lanka and West Indies. So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm pretty sure if
Oh,
Dean Elgar can
that's
pull
great
off 100,
analogy. That's a
if Dean
great
Elgar can
analogy.
pull off 100, man, then I think South Africa will win the Centurion Test. Like yeah, the
Yeah.
opening में अगर 100 मार दे, that's very.
अच्छा, मार्करम ओपन करता है या अभी वो उसका पोजीशन कुछ चेंज हुआ था? आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. मार्करम ओपन ही करता है, आई थिंक ही विल ओपन, राइट?
Yeah, 2018 वाली सीरीज में तो he was at the opener, मुझे याद है. Yeah.
बिकॉज दे हैव सम अदर ओपनर्स आल्सो. मतलब उनका नाम मैंने कभी पहले सुना नहीं है, तो बट दे हैव
पीटरसन
सम
करके
अदर.
कोई फिर से प्लेयर आया है. Yeah.
हाँ, वो तो मिडिल ऑर्डर, उसके साइड में लिखा है मिडिल ऑर्डर बैट्समैन. एक और आई थिंक कोई ओपनर है. लास्ट टाइम इंग्लैंड के अगेंस्ट एक पीटर मलान, जो डेविड मलान का एक्चुअली भाई है या कुछ है, वो शायद ओपन किया था. सो दैट वाज अ
Yeah,
रिकॉर्ड
I
की
remember. Yeah.
हाँ, कि बोथ द ब्रदर्स वर प्लेइंग ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड, ऐसा कुछ रिकॉर्ड आया था उनका
Oh
कि
yeah,
पीटर
Malan उस
मलान.
टाइम टेस्ट में भी था, I think. Yeah.
हाँ हाँ. So Van der Dusen,
Then
my favorite. Let's talk about Rassie Van der Dusen, the new ABD of
yeah,
South Africa cricket, man.
yeah, man. I think he will be the man. Like if South Africa 30 for 4, this guy will be the one who will be attacking just like ABD Villiers did in the last series. So yeah, he's for me he's the most important batsman in their team. Even though you say Elgar is most experienced, but I think this series, I think it's yeah, Van der Dusen will be the key.
No, I agree. I think he's one player who can adapt to all conditions, who has all the shots in the book. He's good against pace and spin also. ठीक है, Ashwin को let us see. I think Ashwin versus Van der Dusen will be a very good battle. And number 4 पे तो I don't want to speak his name. He's the most chutia cricketer. Sorry to for my language, but he's the most
Yeah,
chutia cricketer in South Africa. Temba
yeah,
Bavuma,
he has
thanks
never
to the
proved himself. Yeah.
thanks to the quota system, he's here. But he's but पता नहीं इंडिया के अगेंस्ट ही में कम इन फॉर्म एज, मतलब इंडिया के अगेंस्ट सब लोग ही मार
At
देते
least
हैं
test
क्योंकि
match उसके लिए better suited है than T20s. So let's see if he
yeah.
can help his team. Yeah, but yeah. And then
And
Quinton de Kock is in form, but again, I think he's not available for the entire series or something like that.
no, I think he's going to play the first test and he may miss out on second and third test. तो उसके जगह Kyle Venerine, who is the
Oh yeah.
substitute keeper, will come.
Yeah, I think I've seen
But
Kyle Verani in T20s. So yeah,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. And obviously they will go for Vian Mulder, I think, as a all-rounder, or they may go for a pure batsman in Keegan Peterson. But I think
Yeah.
it's going to be Vian Mulder because they would like to throw everything at India, especially in these seam pitches like
Yeah, yeah.
Centurion, where there is
Yeah.
good swing, there is good bounce. So I think that will be there.
They definitely love a pool of fast bowlers. So yeah, I think they'll go with the seaming all-rounder for sure.
एंड
And
एंड सबसे अच्छा चीज है साउथ अफ्रीका का ना कि उनका टेल काफी स्ट्रांग है, तो दे डोंट फियर इंडिया की तरह की क्योंकि उनको पता है केशव महाराज भी टिक ही जाएगा, 40-50 वो भी
Rabada
मार
भी
देगा.
yeah.
हाँ, रबाडा भी टिक जाएगा. ओलिवियर इज आल्सो अ गुड बैट्समैन इट सीम्स, मतलब वो भी अच्छा है. तो वो लोग को उतना डर नहीं है क्योंकि महाराज इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी डिसेंट बैट्समैन इन टेस्ट क्रिकेट. So
Keshav Maharaj has a very good record in South Africa, considering spinners don't really go fare well in South Africa. So yeah, again, he has an important role to play. You know, like maybe he can bowl a spell where he can take Kohli and Rahane, because we have seen like Kohli and Rahane do stupid mistakes against spinners. So
yeah, especially if
Keshav Maharaj
Rahane
will be,
plays, he will be the most important. I mean, especially अभी अजाज पटेल ने जैसा perform किया था, and he exposed a lot of weakness against spin, which still exists since Nathan Lyon and Graham Swan started exposing that. So it still exists, and Monty Panesar also. So let us see. I mean, एक्चुअली पोर्ट एलिजाबेथ में मैच नहीं है. पोर्ट एलिजाबेथ एक ग्राउंड है साउथ अफ्रीका में जहाँ पे इंग्लैंड ने एक मैच खेला था लास्ट टाइम, वेयर डॉम बेस्ट पिक द 5 एंड जो रूट पिक द 5. तो वो ग्राउंड होता तो बहुत मजा आता, फिर वो इंडिया के लिए थोड़ा एडवांटेज भी होता. और शायद
पोर्ट
जयंत यादव
एलिजाबेथ
को
में सहवाग ने डेब्यू किया था ना शायद. maybe I'm
हाँ हाँ,
wrong.
राइट राइट
Yeah,
राइट. हाँ
105.
पहले काफी मैचेस होते थे पोर्ट एलिजाबेथ में, इस बार नहीं है. मतलब इंग्लैंड ने 4 टेस्ट मैच सीरीज खेला था, इसीलिए उनको मिल गया था पोर्ट एलिजाबेथ में. बट ये तो 3 टेस्ट सीरीज है, तो इसीलिए पोर्ट एलिजाबेथ में मैच नहीं है. इनफैक्ट 2019 के बाद पहली बार टेस्ट मैच होने वाले हैं साउथ अफ्रीका में, क्योंकि कोविड के टाइम में इंग्लैंड बैक्ड आउट फ्रॉम द
Oh,
टेस्ट
Australia
सीरीज.
backed out. Yeah,
हाँ,
Australia backed
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
out.
बैक्ड आउट एंड देन पाकिस्तान आल्सो जस्ट प्लेड ओनली T20 सीरीज देयर, so they also
Yeah.
did not play the test matches.
Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't even realize that. Yeah.
तो
And
England
then
was
I'm
the last
surprised
team.
you picked Magala. I've not seen Magala in tests before. I've seen him in one T20I.
हाँ, मागाला, आई डोंट नो. मैं उसको इसलिए पिक किया हूँ क्योंकि आई बिलीव द कोटा सिस्टम इज गोइंग टू वर्क अगेन एंड बट ब्यूरन हेंड्रिक्स जो कि एक T20 बॉलर है, ही इज आल्सो इन द स्क्वाड. ब्यूरन हेंड्रिक्स, तो मे बी ब्यूरन हेंड्रिक्स कैन आल्सो प्ले. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर हु इज गोइंग टू प्ले एक्चुअली, बट डेफिनेटली
And
Dwan and
considering the
Olivier.
record in Centurion, this looks like a good 11 for South Africa. I mean, it doesn't look like the
Hmm.
India can really be. It doesn't seem like a cakewalk, yeah. Especially after seeing the Centurion records and that the fact that Quinton de Kock is playing the first test. So if you can see, they have 3 good bowlers and 3 good batsmen here. So yeah, if others can contribute a little bit, this team can be the winning team. So we can't we can't
and
discount them.
and Rabada has been very good in Centurion. Actually, Centurion is one of his favorite grounds. Rabada, he loves bowling in Centurion, not in other 2 grounds, but he's a very good bowler in Centurion. So they will be hoping in the absence of Henrik Nortje, Rabada to step up big time and deliver those performances. But Pratik, I want to take a minute and just talk about Dwan Olivier. ये बहुत French type का name है इसका, Dwan Olivier. He is a very tall kind of bowler. He doesn't have extreme pace, but he has very good line and length. And actually, he bowled really well in some of the series in 2018 and 19. I remember 2017, 18.
Yeah.
He bowled really well in those series. And after that, he went away to England. There is a Kolpak contract जिसमें South African, if they have the English heritage, जैसे David Malan and Strauss and बहुत लोग जैसे गए थे and they are England में ही settle हो गए थे, फिर वो लोग South Africa आए नहीं वापस कभी. तो Dwan Oliver went like that, but after COVID he again came back. He moved back to South Africa and again he's back in the South Africa squad after 2 years gap.
That's great for South Africa, yeah. Yeah.
I think he bowled
I
really well
remember this guy
against.
had a very short run up, so he almost seems like a
Uh-huh.
medium pacer. But yeah, I remember he completely destroyed Pakistan in that 2-match series. He took like 15 wickets or something.
Exactly. Pakistan and Sri Lanka. He performed really well against Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And he's having a, as you said, he's having a short run up, but very skiddy and बहुत pacey है, effective. I mean, in that
Yeah.
field.
Yeah, I think he'll be the guy to watch then. Yeah.
Yeah, Rabada and Olivier and with Jan Mulder, I think I don't know if Buren Hendricks or Magala who is going to play, but
Yeah.
NGD say also we expect NGD to play because he had a very good outing against India. So I think this can be the possible 11, but obviously we'll have to wait for tomorrow. I think 1:30 p.m. the match starts at IST. So
Man, this is very mouth-watering contest. Yeah, this is amazing. After a long time, yeah, it seems like it will be a very good neck-to-neck test match. At least the first one, yeah.
Yeah, so let us see, and obviously Ashes का भी शुरू हो रहा है कल match in Boxing Day Test match at Melbourne, and it is
Bro, did
also
you
the
see the
anniversary.
England's lineup for the Melbourne test?
Already
They
release
made-
हो गया.
Yeah, they made huge changes, man. So Crawley's back and Rory's dropped finally. कितने time से I'm
Oh
thinking
my
कि
God.
last 2-3 series से I'm thinking कि they'll drop Rory, but they finally did. And then obviously Oli Pop is also dropped. Johnny Bairstow is coming in, so it'll be interesting to see Johnny Bairstow.
Finally,
But then
finally
Then I'm
Yeah.
surprised, man. They dropped Vokes, even though he's the only person who is like batting for them like consistently. So, but yeah, they brought in Mark Wood, which is interesting. So they want a
I think
person to
Mark
bowl with
would
serious pace. Yeah.
bowled well in Gabba. So this was mentioned in the presentation also when Joe Root was talking to Adam Gilchrist. I think in the presentation, so there also it was mentioned that why Mark Wood was dropped because he was bowling well in Gabba. So maybe they're going back to Mark Wood, but
Yeah,
I don't
and they
know.
might be trying to match someone with Mitchell Stark. Like Mitchell Stark has that extra pace. England pacers did not. So I think that's why Mark Wood is being called. And there's another change, man. Another change. Fourth change is a weird one. Broad is dropped and Jack Leach comes in. So that's interesting.
Oh, wow. फिर
So a
भी
lot
यार
of
कुछ भी
changes.
कर ले आई डोंट थिंक इंग्लैंड का कुछ होने वाला है
Yeah, man.
वो
When I heard MCG, I'm like, yeah, Australia first batting करके 500 बनाएगा.
हाँ और मुझे अब मैं थोड़ा मतलब नॉस्टैल्जिक हो गया हूँ क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर का अभी मुझे याद आ गया कि इंडिया एडिलेड के हारने के बाद
रहाणे स्पेशल एट
कमबैक
एमसीजी
किया था
मैन. क्या इनिंग्स था मैन. दैट वाज लाइक अनबिलीवेबल टेस्ट सेंचुरी मैन.
या रहाणे एंड इट वाज एन
England is looking for
अनबिलीवेबल
same
इनिंग्स
inspiration. England is
and
probably looking.
we handed a thumping loss to Australia in MCG. I
Yeah.
mean, Siraj made his debut actually last year on this
Oh,
Boxing Day itself, and he picked 3 crucial wickets. Ashwin was dominating Steve Smith. बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. Steve Smith did
yeah,
not fire for the first 2 Test matches.
yeah,
Anyway,
yeah.
वो तो
I really
past
hope
में है.
England can do something, man. Like they badly need a good performance. And ठीक है, जो का हर innings में 80 मारता है, man, he needs to convert them to 160s. Seriously, I mean, he needs to. So
Hmm. And yeah, man, David Malan also needs to prove his form. Like Joe Root needs some support also because Joe Root akele is not enough. It has to be a team effort, and hopefully Zach Crawley and Bairstow they can make the
it looks like a good
contribution.
addition. Yeah, good
यार डैन
addition.
लॉरेंस कहाँ चला गया डैन लॉरेंस वाज एक्चुअली अ गुड बैट्समैन पता नहीं वो कहाँ चला गया अभी मेरा फेवरेट था वो
Yeah,
डैन
I'm
लॉरेंस
worried. Dan Lawrence squad में भी नहीं दिखा मुझे. I'm not sure if he is there.
हाँ
So
पता नहीं उसको क्यों हटा दिया एनीवे और हाँ अभी मैं जस्ट देख रहा था ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने भी झाई रिचर्डसन को आई थिंक झाई रिचर्डसन इंजर्ड या कुछ है तो स्कॉट बोलैंड इज गोइंग टू डेब्यू टुमारो फॉर
wait, Hazelwood is still injured क्या?
हेजलवुड इज आई थिंक स्टिल इंजर्ड
Oh.
and there is a minor leg injury to Chai Richardson. So Scott Boland,
He
जिसका
bowled
home
really well.
ground,
I was surprised by Jai Richardson's bowling in the last test. I have to say, yeah.
Yeah, Jai Richardson bowled well in the second innings. I mean, like मेरा कुछ cricket groups है उसमें लोग criticize करना शुरू कर दिए थे क्योंकि he went wicketless in the first innings, but
Yeah.
he could not even clean the tail up in the first innings. But second innings में जब लग रहा था कि फिर से कहीं इंग्लैंड जॉस बटलर सेव ना कर ले क्योंकि लास्ट सेशन तक तो वो ले ही गया था और 20 ओवर्स और खेलना था इंग्लैंड को बस तो बट या ही बोल्ड रियली वेल एंड स्पेशली द वे ही गॉट द विकेट ऑफ मलान
पीच डाला था वोक्स को इन स्विंगिंग बॉल आया था वोक्स को
वोक्स को बहुत अच्छा एंड बहुत अच्छा टेल क्लीन अप किया उसने आई मीन सुपर्ब
अरे एक वियर्ड वीडियो आया था सामने की
हेलो Yeah, I think we missed Pratik. Pratik, we are not able to hear you. So yeah, so guys, Pratik, yeah, we lost you for 2 minutes.
Oh, I was saying एक weird video surface हुआ था कि जाय रिचर्डसन ने जॉस बटलर को पहले भी हिट विकेट करवाया था एक बार बीबीएल में. So it was like what were the odds? It was very weird, yeah.
अरे यार बहुत ट्रेजिक मोमेंट था बट मतलब
yeah,
I was
worked so hard.
बटलर मैं वही बोलता रहता हूँ लोगों को कि पुजारा का जो इनिंग्स था सिडनी में वेर ही प्लेड 205 बॉल्स एंड बटलर आल्सो प्लेड 207 बॉल्स बट देयर वाज नो ऐश एंड विहारी तो हम लोग पुजारा को क्रेडिट देते हैं बट एक्चुअली ऐश एंड विहारी आल्सो प्लेड वेरी क्रिटिकल नॉक्स in those. मतलब उनको actually credit मिलना चाहिए because you need
Yeah.
2-3
Arvind Bihari
batsmen.
did unbelievable, unthinkable. They were like, yeah.
हाँ.
Especially when Bihari was injured and yeah, Ash also had so many body blows. Yeah. Yeah.
And
What Indian team did was very special. Yeah, in that summer.
And what do you think about Ashwin's comments? अभी उसने बोला है कि Ravi Shastri and Kohli, the management were not sensitive to his injuries, and he was crushed when they said कि Kuldeep Yadav is the number one test bowler, is going to be the number one test bowler. तो उस पे रवि शास्त्री ने बोला है कि I am glad that it affected Ashwin and he proved to me as well as the world that he is the number one spinner. I somehow don't like the timing
Does
of all this, correct, because Kohli is right now under the pressure. जो भी हुआ उसकी वजह से आई डोंट थिंक द टाइमिंग ऑफ दिस कमेंट वाज रॉन्ग. अगर उसको कुछ बोलना ही रहता तो वो अपने करियर एंड में ये सब चीजें बोलना चाहिए बिकॉज you
yeah.
know it affects your, because you are the lone spinner in now in South Africa and you have to play with Kohli. It will depend a lot on Rahul Dravid's management skills now to make everything all right.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, there's definitely some issues, man, because England maybe Kohli, we were hoping every test Ashwin will play, and he didn't play. So and we know how passionate Ashwin is. I'm sure he felt bad, like Kuldeep ka jo hua, but Ravi Shastri should not have stretched it. Yeah, he should not have commented back either. Like, but again,
अब तो
yeah,
रवि शास्त्री
actually
हर
these
चीज पे
three all are
कमेंट
very
करेगा. अब
aggressive.
तो वो खुला है. अब तो वो कमेंट्री भी करने वाला है शायद कल कल तो वो मतलब
Yeah.
शायद
Oh wow,
ऐसा
man, that
है.
will be interesting. I missed his commentary over the years. Yeah.
Yeah, really, man. I'm looking
उसने
forward to
iconic
his comment.
moments पे जो commentary करी हुई है वो सब याद आती है.
हाँ, really. He was the voice of cricket for so long. So I'm looking forward to hear him back again in tomorrow's commentary.
Yeah, man.
So
Super
very,
Sunday, man. 2 test matches. It will be awesome. Yeah.
yeah.
And
So it's
by the way, I just wanted to say कि वो पहले जो 2016-17 में कोई वनडे मैच होता था तो I used to be like, चलो विराट कोहली पे 50 plus लगा दो. Dude, same scenario. First time I'm feeling for a player which is Manas Labuschagne. The consistency this guy is showing, unbelievable, man.
and he deserves to be the number one test batsman in the world. And
Yeah,
पता
so
नहीं
happy for him.
अभी क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर कौन होगा पता नहीं, और मे बी जो रूट ही होगा क्योंकि उसने इतने सारे. एंड जो रूट जस्ट नीड्स 158 रन्स टू ब्रेक मोहम्मद यूसुफ्स रिकॉर्ड ऑफ 1788.
Oh, yeah,
एंड दैट रिकॉर्ड हैज
yeah.
बीन देयर फॉर 15 इयर्स. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगा था वो 15 इयर्स तक वो रहेगा रिकॉर्ड, बट अनबिलीवेबल. वो अभी तक 15 इयर्स तक वो रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है. तो लेट्स होप जो रूट कैन डू
Play like a
अजिंक्य रहाणे
Rahane. Yeah.
या इन द गैबा.
That would be
So
special. Like if he can win a test, and then it will be more special. And we have to give credit to Joe Root if he can break that, because pandemic year mein he would be the one breaking 1788. So
and Ben Stokes really needs to step up, man. I mean,
yeah,
ठीक है, अभी he was rusty, but he really needs to, at least as a batter, he needs to step up and play. मतलब last test में भी
yeah. I mean,
उसने
I was
ठीक है.
even thinking कि maybe they will open with Malan and Ben Stokes थोड़ा जल्दी आएगा. I was thinking that, but they actually went with Crawley. So ठीक है अभी. But कभी-कभी
मुझे तो
मुझे
लग
ये भी
रहा
लग
है
रहा है कि Ben Stokes is coming very late, because Pope and Butler, if they fail, then Ben Stokes is playing with the tails after like just playing few balls. So
मुझे तो लग रहा है क्रॉली और माइन दोनों ही सिंगल डिजिट्स में जाएंगे अगर कल इंडिया या साउथ अफ्रीका पहले बैटिंग करते हैं. इंडिया और इंग्लैंड अगर पहले बैटिंग करते हैं, or it's a
man, I'm
good
expecting
likely
Rahul
pitch.
to shine again. Actually, I'm expecting, because he has that bigger role to play. Because Rohit ke absence mein he has to
Yeah.
deliver.
No,
So
Rahul, as a test batsman, my absolute respect in this format to KL Rahul.
yeah,
So, yeah, he's going to be very crucial, and now he's the vice captain also. तो ऐसा भी
yeah.
हो सकता है अगर कोहली को सडनली मन किया कि वो बर्थडे पार्टी में जाना है, वामिका के बर्थडे पार्टी में जाना है, तो राहुल हैज टू लीड us in South Africa. तो लेट अस सी. भाई कोहली को बहुत बर्थडेज और बहुत फैमिली एंगेजमेंट्स है यार, मतलब.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a personal choice, so we should not make a comment on it, but yeah. ठीक है, हम लोग धोनी और सचिन एंड ये लोग के एरा में बड़े हुए हैं. ड्राविड तो who sacrificed a lot family wise to play
Oh yeah,
cricket, so we
that era
can't,
was
I mean,
different. Yeah, yeah.
Anyway,
players
you should watch that movie 83. It's a good movie. I watched it yesterday,
yeah.
so it's.
Looking forward to it. Yeah.
I think now it's released in US also, so
Yeah.
yeah, you should catch it. So
Okay, man.
okay, guys. So that's it from us, and hope for a wonderful Super Sunday on Boxing
Yeah.
Day. Yeah, wishing you
Yeah.
all a
Hopefully, test match
great
is very
luck.
poised and we can meet earlier than day 5. Maybe we'll have to meet at day 3. That match is so interesting. So let's hope for
Yeah,
that.
let's hope
And
so. Let's hope so. Sure, sure. So see you
yeah.
guys. Bye. Bye. Have
Yeah.
a good weekend.
Yeah. You too, bro. Yeah.